Hi everyone, Remy here. Let's make this delicious and easy tiramisu recipe. It's a no-bake dessert which we can make in 15 minutes. So let's see how to do this. Let's prepare the cream mixture first. So in a large mixing bowl, I've added 2 cups of cold heavy cream or whipping cream and blend it using a hand blender until the stiff peaks. So it has to thicken it up. Here you can see the texture is slightly changing. Now to this mixture I'm going to add half tin of sweetened condensed milk. Instead of sugar, I've substituted it with a sweetened condensed milk here. Next here we are preparing the coffee dip. So you have to brew 1.5 cup of strong coffee, allow it to cool so the coffee mixture is ready. Now here I'm adding mascarpone to the already whipped cream. So here we have condensed milk and whipped cream. Now we added the mascarpone. So let's do this again, the hand blender method. You have to keep using it until a nice thick foam is formed. It's going to be thicken up. You can also gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture using a spatula until it is well combined. So let's assemble the tiramisu now. So quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee mixture for about 1 to 2 seconds per side. So don't soak these lady's finger for too long, else it's becomes soggy. So arrange a layer of dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of a tray like this. This is a 9 by 9 inch dish or a similar size serving dish. Spread half of the mascarpone cream mixture evenly on the lady's finger. Add another layer of coffee dipped ladyfinger on top. So I like to add cocoa powder on each layer. It gives a very nice look. Also it tastes really good. So layer by layer, like we put the lady's finger here, then we have the mascarpone cream. Then on top of it, here I am adding little Hershey's cocoa powder. So you have to spread the remaining mascarpone cream mixture over the second layer of lady's finger. So here we are putting another layer of lady's finger. It's very easy recipe. Here you can see it's a no bake. Quickly a dessert is done. Now it's ready to be chilled and then we can serve it. So cover the tiramisu. I refrigerated this for at least 4 hours. Or you can do this overnight also to allow the flavors to all melt and the dessert to be set. So before serving, you can dust the top with a generous amount of cocoa powder and garnish this with chocolate shavings if desired. And slice the tiramisu into portions and serve it cold. It's ready. It's one of the favorite in every party. Everybody enjoys this. The taste of mascarpone cream, the condensed milk, the coffee, everything blend together. It brings a medley of very nice flavor. For those, this dessert that is new, tiramisu is a popular Italian dessert. It is made with ladyfinger that you saw. It's just like a sponge cake. It also has coffee. You saw the coffee brewed. Then mascarpone cheese and cocoa powder or chocolate powder that you can add or dust on top. So my tiramisu does not use raw eggs. So the traditional tiramisu has raw eggs blended to it. So this is one of the easiest tiramisu recipe that I made and there is no sacrifice in the flavor. Traditional tiramisu uses raw egg yolks and sugar beaten and then combined with the egg whites and mascarpone. But I have tried a different method, but it brings the exact taste to this. I hope you enjoyed this. See you again.